Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Which Italian car was one of the first to feature a streamlined design? A. 1942 Lancia Aprilia. B. 1947 Cisitalia 202. C. 1949 Fiat 1100e. D. 1946 Alfa Romeo 6C 2500. Correct answer, B. 1947. Cisitalia 202. Fun fact, the Cisitalia 202 was not just a car, it was a work of art. Its innovative aerodynamic design earned it a place in New York's Museum of Modern Art as one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Still haven't subscribed? What, you want the channel to stay without 1,000 subscribers? Subscribe and join our car lovers team? I promise. It's fun here, and there's always something new. Question 2. Which French car symbolized the nation's recovery after World War II? A. 1941, Citroën Traction, Avant. B. 1948, Renault 4CV. C. 1949, Peugeot 203. D. 1946, Panhard Dyna X. Correct answer, B. 1948, Renault 4 CV. Fun fact, affectionately known as La Motte de Beurre, the lump of butter, the Renault 4 CV became France's first mass-produced car after the war. Its rear-engine design and affordability made it a post-war success. Question 3. Which German car marked the country's automotive revival? A. 1946 Volkswagen, Beetle Type 1. B. 1949 Opel Olympia. C. 1948 BMW 327. D. 1947 DKWF 89. Correct answer, A. 1946. Volkswagen Beetle Type 1. Fun fact, designed before the war, the Beetle Type 1 became an international sensation in the 1940s. Its simplicity and reliability helped Germany rebuild its automotive industry. Question 4. Which Italian car was praised for its advanced engineering? A. 1949, Lancia Ardea. B. 1947, Fiat 500b Topolino. C. 1946 Maserati A6 1500. D. 1948 Alfa Romeo 6C 2500. Correct answer, D. 1948 Alfa Romeo 6C2500. Fun fact, this luxury car combined timeless Italian design with cutting-edge technology, including independent suspension and hydraulic brakes, making it a favorite among Europe's elite. Question 5. Which British car was a pioneer in sports car design after the war? A. 1949, Jaguar X K120. B. 1948, Morgan 44 Series The One. C. 1947, Triumph 1800 Roadster. D. 1946, Healey Westland Roadster. Correct answer, D. 1946, Healey Westland Roadster. Fun fact, combining a lightweight chassis with a Riley engine, the Healey Westland Roadster was among the first British sports cars to hit the market after World War II, paving the way for iconic British roadsters. Question 6. Which French car introduced aluminum construction? A. 1946, Panhard Dyna X. B. 1947, Citroën 11D. C. 1949 Simca 8 Sport. D. 1948 Peugeot 202. Correct answer, A. 1946 Panhard Dyna X. Fun fact, the Dyna X used lightweight aluminum for its body, a choice inspired by post-war material shortages. It offered excellent fuel efficiency and became a symbol of French innovation. Question 7. Which German luxury car was among the few produced immediately after the war? A. 1948 BMW 501, B. 1946 Auto Union 1000, C. 1949 Porsche 356 prototype, D. 1948 Mercedes-Benz 170V. Correct answer, D. 1948 Mercedes-Benz 170V. Fun fact, the 170V was one of the first cars Mercedes-Benz produced post-war. It became a favorite for its quality and reliability, helping to re-establish the brand's reputation worldwide. Question 8. Which Italian car was designed for the urban driver? A. 1947 Fiat 500B Topolino, B. 1949 Lancia Ardea, C. 1946 Cisitalia 202, D. 1948 Fiat 1100S. Correct answer, A. 1947 Fiat 500B Topolino. Fun fact, the Topolino, meaning little mouse, was one of the smallest and most affordable cars of its time. Its compact size made it perfect for navigating narrow European streets. Question 9. Which British car featured a wood-framed body? A. 1949 Morris Minor Traveller, B. 1947 Riley RMA, C. 1948 Austin, A40 Countryman D. 1946 Standard Flying 12. Correct answer, B. 1947 Riley RMA. Fun fact, with its elegant handcrafted wooden frame, the Riley RMA combined old-world craftsmanship with post-war innovation, becoming a favorite among British motorists. Question 10. Which French car showcased innovative suspension? A. 1949 Citroën 156, H. B. 1947 Renault 4 CVC 1946, Peugeot 203 D. 1948, Simca 8. Correct answer, A. 1949 Citroën 156 H. Fun fact, as one of the first cars to feature hydropneumatic suspension, the 156H offered unmatched ride comfort. It became a technological marvel and laid the groundwork for future Citroën innovations.
Results, 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.